Oh, hi guys, Bruce here. Well, it's tool day. So an old friend of mine, he still lives in the city I'm in. We worked together since 1979, and so we know each other really well. And his father was a gunsmith. Or no, I'm sorry, his father-in-law was a gunsmith. And years and years ago, his name's Dennis. He gave me his father-in-law's old snap-on punches. You guys might remember seeing these. And this set of punches comes out at least twice or three times a week for something. Pushing out a pin or a clog or whatever, right? So I've had these for quite a while. So anyway, Dennis, unfortunately, the other day we were at a service for another coworker who passed away. This is starting to happen. And Dennis said, would you like a set of small wrenches and a few other things? And so this just happened in the last week or so. And I said, yes, absolutely. So Dennis and I just finished having 3 cups of coffee or so together, sitting in the nice chairs right over here. Putting the coffee on the pail. We had fun. It was just nice. A great visit. And he has given me some tools. I'll go through the first smaller bunch first, and let's just have a look at what we've got here. So this is it's a ball peen hammer, right? And when I see this little hammer, I think of 2 people. I think of Jim from Not Too Fast for You to See, and I think of Road King. He likes little stuff like this. So that's pretty cool. Comes apart. And just a all-around handy little prior and wedge poker, which I have one, but obviously you can see it's not the same quality. Same length, but this one has way more oomph to it than this one. And I keep this one in my doctor kit down here. So that's going to go into my little carburetor doctor kit too. Right there. There it is. So let's see what else we got here. Oh, not just a 3/8 and a 7/16 box end. So these are great, and this one's got a great offset, right? So you can reach down. And look at this. This is a flathead screwdriver, 90-degree access. So if you're working on something like a snowblower, you can stick that in and get it on the screw. And it's kind of the early days before the ratcheting stuff. This is a great tool. And then a set of what I call these easy outs, but they're not the 6 or 8 point, they're a 4 point. And I think they grab a little bit better. And right on here you can see it's written the size of the hole and the thing you should drill for that, right? And there's 4 of those. And this set of 4 beats the set of 8. The cheap ones that you buy when you're desperate. And then this is my set of carburetor wrenches from the old days. Really thin, poor quality. Look how skinny that is. And I use them once in a while, but you just usually end up hurting yourself, breaking your knuckle. So this is the Holy Grail right here. And look at the sizes of these things. .7/32, smaller than a quarter, right? That's a quarter. Oh no, that's 7/32 as well. Quarter, and there's 2 different kinds, well, 2 different reaches. This is gold for any mechanic, right? Blue point. So if you hear anything that has that's called blue point, it's the best you can buy, right? .1764. 5/16, that's common. (11/32). I don't think my average wrenches have anything that exotic. No. So those are really, really nice sizes, eh? For oddball stuff. I don't know what make this is. Plum. 11/32, sorry. 5/16 again. That should probably go down with the 5/16. So anyway, and then 7/16 and 3/8. So isn't that nice? Just giving them to me out of the goodness of his heart. He says he's never used any of these in the years and years and years that he had them from his father-in-law. Pretty cool. Thank you, Dennis. I love it. These will get used. This will get used. Of course this will get used. A lot of leverage on a fastener with something like that. And you know what? This, if you need to use something like that, you know you're going to have some work to do, because you got to sneak it in. That's pretty neat. So thanks so much, Dennis. I will. I'm going to put these in the exact order they should be in, and we'll carry on from there. Thank you so much. All right, let's get you on the chair. I am just going to clean up this 3/8 to 7/16 wrench to see if we can get some of this rust off of here. You guys see that? So let's see what we can do. Yeah, I think so. Don't forget, safety glasses, right? Okay, now let's go back to the bench and just do the inside. You might need a little bit of steel wool or something. Or a brush. Hang on. Need steel. Okay, this might help on the inside of the wrench. I don't know. Oh yeah. You betcha. So before I put it away to be used, so this is the wrench for small engines, domestic, SAE, 3/8, 7/16. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? Already. Ready for a job.